Another thing I'd like to share with you today is an awesome program called SCRCPY. Basically, this program allows you to mirror whatever is on your Android mobile phone onto your PC, and it also allows you to interact with the content. So here we're going to start. I'm just going to show you where you can get it from. It's a file which is in GitHub, so you can just grab that from the description below. I've included the link for that. And once you've downloaded it, you can extract it and you'll have something like this. So you'll have to enable USB debugging on your Android phone, which I will show you in a minute. And that will allow you to interact with the mobile phone and to have the connection with SCRCPY. So I'm just going to launch the program here so you can see what I'm going to be doing. There's my mobile phone. I've got developer mode enabled. If you don't have developer mode enabled, you'll need to enable that. Let me just put this in full screen and go to settings. Scroll down. Now this is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus that I'm using. I've got this already enabled, developer options, but if you don't have developer mode enabled, just go to About Phone. It's generally the same on all the most recent Android versions. This is Android 10. So go down to Software Information. I am using my PC to interact with the phone at the moment. And you need to click on build number either 5 or 7 times in order to enable developer mode. So mine's already enabled, which it is telling me. I'm going to go back to the previous page and I'm going to go back again and I'm going to enter developer options. Now the important thing here is that you have USB debugging enabled, which is further down. So USB debugging, that has to be on and you need to enable that for this to work. Okay, once that's enabled, you'll be able to connect the phone to your PC via a USB-C cable in my case, or a normal USB cable if you have an older phone, and you'll be able to use SCRCPY, interact with your phone, and you can give presentations. It's quite useful for certain things, so really cool. Actually, I've done a couple of videos showing my energy meter. If you've seen my mining videos that I've done recently, you can see the energy meter on the side there. That is basically my phone streaming that on the video. So, hope this was useful for you, and please give me a like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care, and thanks for watching.